Hey, what's up guys? Today I have an interesting update for you. So guys, if you are interested in installing Android P beta version in Oneplus 6, then check this video. So guys, you can go to Android/beta website and you can find this. Scroll down and you will get Oneplus 6. Then click on get beta. Then there will be a download link. So click on download now. Then it will take you to other link, which is form.oneplus.com. Then you will get Android P beta download page. So here are a few instructions. So make sure that you have 30% minimum of your battery and 3 GB of internal memory. And then these are the following instructions you have to follow. First of all, scroll down to the page and you will get a download link. You can also find the link in the description of my video, and here it is. Click on it. Then you will download a zip file. I already downloaded it, so I am cancelling it. After downloading this file, you have to directly save the zip file in internal memory of your device, that is OnePlus 6. So what you have to do is go to settings, system updates, and click on local upgrade. Then it will take some time to install. After some time it will show system upgrade to 100%. Then now these steps are very important. You have to turn off the mobile and you have to click volume down button along with power button. Then it will take you to recovery mode. Once you enter the recovery mode, now select factory reset or wipe data option. Then click power button to select. Then click yes to confirm. Then finally click reboot system now option. It will take a while and it will get booted to Android P. Voila! Now finally Android P is ready. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and please do like and leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I will catch you in my next video. Bye bye.